AI is getting seriously terrifying because guess what? I am not even real.
I'm a product avatar. I can hold your product with just one image.
Hi, fashion family. Are you ready to fall in love with this woven square neck solid midi?
That's right, she's completely fake. And here's the crazy part. Some people are making tons of money using these avatars through affiliate marketing. I'm about to show you exactly how you can do the same within a couple of minutes. This video is going to be a game changer, so stick around. Before we jump in, if you're new to my channel, don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you never miss out on game-changing content like this. Now, let's get started. Today, I'm walking you through how to create viral product videos using AI and make money while doing it. Whether you're looking to promote products on TikTok, YouTube, or Instagram, this guide is your ticket to success. Let's go! Finding a trending product. First, we need to find a trending product. Head over to Google and search for Amazon movers and shakers. Click on the first link that appears. This page provides all the trending products over the last 24 hours. You can explore various product categories on the left side. I've chosen the beauty and personal care category for this example. Once you're there, select any product you like, click on the image, and download it. Using Top View AI to create product video. Now, let's move to the next step where we'll use the AI product avatar to turn this product into a viral video within a couple of minutes. For that, we're heading over to Top View AI. This tool is a game changer. All you need to do is upload your product image, and the AI will generate a complete video with the perfect script, voiceover, and even realistic AI avatars. I've included the Top View AI link in the description below. Click on it, and it'll take you directly to the Top View AI website. Then click on the Sign In button, and sign up using your Google account. Once logged in, you'll be redirected to a page like this. Now, click on the Product Avatar feature. Here's where the magic happens. Product Features Highlight. Here's what makes Top View AI even better. 50% off videos starting at just 2.5 credits. Unlock the power of AI video creation at a fraction of the cost. Get started with videos from just 2.5 credits. Upload your own images as custom avatars. Take control by uploading your own images and creating personalized, realistic avatars for your videos. Face swap with any face. Want a more realistic avatar? Now you can swap faces with any image. Easier product sizing control. Adjust your product size with ease and make sure it fits perfectly in every shot. 2 times faster generation. Videos are ready in half the time, so you can create content faster without losing quality. Creating the avatar. You'll have access to over 100 AI avatars, each with unique ethnicities, ages, and styles. These avatars look incredibly realistic and can really bring your video to life. Once you've chosen your avatar, simply click on it. Now we need to upload our downloaded product image. After uploading, you can adjust the size, position, and angle of the product to perfectly match the avatar's pose and gesture. You can also manually mask the product if needed. If you want to change the product image again, you can do that by clicking this button. Once everything looks perfect, hit the confirm button and you're ready for the next step. In a few seconds, the AI will generate full avatars featuring your product. If none of them work for you, just click the regenerate button to create new ones. For this example, I'm happy with avatar. I'll select it and click the image to video avatar button, animating the avatar. And just like that, we have a fully animated product avatar. Top View's product avatar can hold your product with just one image. If you need to reanimate it, simply click this button. Once you're satisfied, save your avatar, and it will automatically be added to your avatar collection. Generating the video. Next, we'll generate the video for our product. We need to write a script. You can either write it directly in here or import an audio file. Now, let's talk about the AI voiceovers. You have access to over 100 high-quality, realistic voices. This means you can add a professional touch to your videos without needing any recording equipment. You can even filter voices by language, gender, age, and style. Once you've selected a voice, click Confirm, then click the Generate Video button. If you don't want to write the script yourself, let AI handle it. Just copy the product URL, go back to the dashboard, paste it here, and click Create Video. AI analyzes the URL and automatically selects the most relevant viral videos and images based on the product. You can uncheck any media you don't want, but I recommend keeping them all selected for the best results. You can also upload additional images or videos, or generate new ones with AI. The AI will identify the product name and details from the URL, and you can edit points you want to highlight in the More Options section. Finalizing the video. After customizing the script, writing style, target audience, and video length, you can select the aspect ratio that fits your platform. I'll go with 9:6 for YouTube Shorts, TikTok, and Instagram. You can also choose the language, and the AI will generate the script based on insights from over 5 million popular TikTok and YouTube videos. Once the script is generated, you can edit it, replace clips, customize the avatar, and adjust subtitles. You can even add transitions, background music, and adjust the sound levels. Exporting the video. When you're happy with all the edits, click Export. Here's the final result.
Exposed. Still using irritating moisturizer? Big mistake. Y'all ask how my skin glows. This right here. La Roche-Posay's Toleriane fixes your skin barrier fast, like patching a cracked phone screen in 1 hour. Amazing! It hydrates for TWO days, and it's got prebiotics. OMG. Like a spa day for your face that lasts and lasts. Period. No oil, no fragrance, good for sensitive skin. It's safe, bestie. Run! Don't walk! Get yours before it sells out, besties.
Making money with affiliate marketing. Now, how do we turn these product videos into tons of money? First, you'll need to register for the Amazon Affiliate Program. Go to Google, search for Amazon Affiliate, click the first link, and sign up. Once registered, visit the product page, and you'll see a panel showing the commission rate. For this product, it's 3%. Copy the affiliate link. Take the product video we created, share it on platforms like TikTok, Instagram, or Pinterest, and include your affiliate link in the captions or bio. Every time someone makes a purchase through your link, you earn a commission. If you want a step-by-step guide on how to promote these videos and maximize your affiliate earnings, let me know by leaving a comment below. And don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you won't miss my next video. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.